Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to use Porkbun Webmail 2025 guide. So first thing, you need to access your Porkbun email. So navigate to the Webmail login page, open your web browser and go to webmail.porkbun.com. Now to enter your credentials, in the login screen, enter your full hosted email and the password you set up for the specific email account. And click the login button to access your email inbox. Now customizing your signature in Webmail, open the settings in the Webmail interface and click on Settings gear icon on the left hand side. From the settings menu, click on the Identities option and select your hosted email address from the list to view its identity settings. Scroll down to the signature section and type the text you want to use as your signature. Now this is optional, so use the HTML icon above the signature field to format your text, add links, or insert images. Click the Save button to apply your new signature. Now setting up your Porkbun email in other clients. So create a hosted email address. If you haven't already, set up a hosted email address for your domain through your Porkbun account. Now adding account in your client. Open your desired email client, either Google, Outlook, or etc., and go to the options to add account. Follow client-specific instructions, enter your full Porkbun email address, and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. You may need to choose IMAP and manually input server settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.